Hello once again, this is Everything Tutorial, and pardon me again for my voice. I currently am homesick, and I'm making this tutorial because when I was homesick, I had time on my hand, and I figured out how to make a Tekkit server. So I'll be bringing you the latest tutorial from Everything Tutorial on how to make a Tekkit server. So, in the link in my description for this video, it will bring you to this website, where first you will need to download the Tekkit launcher if you don't already have it. So it'll bring you to this website, and you will need to just go over to where it says Get It Now and click the download the Tekkit launcher in the green box, and it says your download will automatically start. I'm on a Mac, so it already automatically started the Windows one, and I don't want that, so I'm going to go ahead and click the download for Mac, and it'll download it for me. And then once you have it, you're just going to drag it on your desktop and unzip the zip file. And since I've already done that, and it's right here, you already have that ready. Now what you're going to do is download the Tekkit server file that I have in the description, and it comes in a zip file, which is this Tekkit server.zip, and if you unzip it, it'll just give you this folder called Tekkit server. And if you open it, you have all the folders already pre-installed. It's quite lovely. This is my world. This won't be there for you because I've already started playing it. So this is my world, and yeah, that won't be in yours. It'll automatically create you a world when you start it. And when you download this, the first thing you're going to do is go into your server.properties, and here you're going to need to add in your IP address. This will be blank. You put in whatever your IP address is, and if you don't know what your IP address is, then you can download the Hamachi app, or the Hamachi application, and it'll tell you your IP. It's already in my bucket server tutorial if you want to check that out. I'm not going to go through how to install that again. I've already explained it. So now that you have the server.properties, you can change any of the settings you want. You can change the difficulty. You can change really anything about it. Make sure you save after you add your IP, and then you can exit out of this. Now, if you're on Mac, what you want to do is, there's a pretty easy way to start up this server. What you're going to do is you're going to open Terminal. I know this is going to look complex, but it's really not. So, it'll come up with your profile name. First thing you're going to type is CD space, have your Tekkit folder open, and then click on this little folder and drag it into here and just drop it, and it'll add this. Hit enter, and then in the description of this video I'll have the startup code, and you can just copy and paste it in, which I've already copied it. I'll paste it, and it is this Java-Xmx blah 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 blah, and you can just hit enter, and it'll run your server. It'll load all the mods, so it'll take a while to load, and once you see the done right here, that means it's done loading. You can start playing. But everyone, including you that plays on the server, needs to do one last step. This is an old version of Tekkit, just to let you know. This version of Tekkit is an old version. So, in order to play it, you need an old version of the Tekkit launcher. A lot of people think that the old Tekkit is actually better, or at least I've heard that from some people. And The only person I've had trouble with that's had trouble with this server is one of my friends, and it's not working for them, so I'm partially making this video for them. And I'm gonna go ahead and just do a tutorial on how to join it for people who aren't familiar with it. So you'll pull up Tekkit and you'll pull it up. Make sure you have Tekkit selected, because that's the multiplayer version. Make sure you have Tekkit, not Technic. There's a difference. Then go ahead and log in, or don't log in, just put in your information, but don't hit log in. Go to options, and you'll need to check the manual build selection. You go ahead and box that in, and you're going to want to click clear cache. You're going to want to click on clear cache, and what that'll do is it'll delete the current version of Tekkit, and then this server runs on version 3.0.3, whatever this line is, 1.2.5. So it will be on either one of these two when you first download it, either the 3.1.3 or the 3.1.2, and you'll just scroll down till you see 3.0.3. You'll click on that and hit OK. Now you can proceed to log in, and I didn't clear my cache, but you definitely need to. I didn't because I already have, but do not forget to clear your cache or else it will not work. It will not work. And one of the most important things to remember is if a pop-up comes up when you're loading it and asks if you wish to update to the newest client, make sure you say no, because what that's asking you to do is, now that you've just installed a later version of Tekkit, it wants you to update it to the new version, and that's kind of defeating the purpose of what you just did. And not only will it make you have to redo it, but it'll make you have to clear the cache again, because now all the mods are copied, and the newer versions of the mods are interfering with the older versions of the mods, and I'm not going to get into that, but it will not allow them to activate, and only 3 of the mods will load. So that's a problem. So don't update, make sure you clear your cache, and now that we have the server, so just to prove that it works, I'll type in cd space, drag the file, enter, command prompt, which will be in the description, and hit enter again. Let all the mods load. It's almost there, and again you'll see done. So now it's done. You'll need, if you want other people to join, you'll need to have your Hamachi open, and then just go back into your Tekkit. Add your server, name it whatever you want, and then put whatever IP your IP address is there, and you'll have your server. And just hit add, then there's your server. And I join. And I'm in my world, which I just started 20 minutes ago. And I already have some machine blocks, some redstone, copper, basics, some furnaces. Yeah. And as you can see, I'll show you here that it is Tekkit, as you can tell from all the different things. I don't know what half the stuff does. I know what a good amount of it does. Compressor, machine block, your mass rater, your advanced machine block, you know, all the weird stuff. So, thanks for watching. Please like if you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or if it's not working for you, please leave a comment and I'll make another video addressing each individual comment. So, you can rely on me to keep videos coming, answering all your questions about how to set up a Tekkit server. And if it doesn't work for you, then please just tell me what happened and I'll try to fix it. So, thanks for watching, and that's how you set up a Tekkit server. And remember, for everyone to join your Tekkit server, they'll need to have Tekkit. They'll need to erase their cache, re-download the correct version of the correct 3.0.3-1.2.5 version of Tekkit, reload it, and then join your server and join your Hamachi network. And if all of them do that, then there should be no problem joining. And I hope this helps. Thank you.